one JLPT ready grammar point and 3 real sentences, and let's master it fast. In today's BitSize Japanese, we're going to talk about amari, which means so something something that or to the point that. Okay, let's take a look at the grammatical structure, how to use it. We usually use it with the plain form of a verb or adjectives or na-adjectives plus no particle plus amari ni. Okay, so the meaning is something is done so excessively that it leads to a negative or unexpected result. Okay, so there's some usage patterns. It's used with strong emotions such as joy, sadness, and worry. And then it's not usually used with the negative forms. And then it's usually used in written or formal spoken Japanese. And then don't forget the no and na particles before amari. Okay, so let's take a look at the first example. The first word is for the example is 今のオリンピック。今のオリンピック。The second word is 勝ち負け。winning or losing and losing. 勝ち負け。winning and losing. 気にする to worry about. 気にする。あまり。あまり so much that something something. So that's the structure we're learning today. スポーツマンシップ。So that's katakana, it says sportsmanship, English. スポーツマンシップ。大切なもの。大切なもの。something important. 大切なもの。なくす to lose. なくす to lose. のではないか。Isn't that something? のではないか。Now let's take a look at the actual sentence. 今のオリンピックは勝ち負けを気にするあまりスポーツマンシップという大切なものをなくしているのではないか。なくしているのではないか。Let's take a look at it again using hiragana. 今のオリンピックは勝ち負けを気にするあまりスポーツマンシップという大切なものをなくしているのではないか。So it means that aren't today's Olympics are so focused on winning and losing that they have lost the true meaning of sportsmanship. So we're focusing on that 勝ち負けを気にするあまり. So we are so focused on or worry about 気にする is worry about 勝ち負けを winning and losing. So 勝ち負けを気にするあまり. So we're so focused on worry about winning and losing that. And then the result is スポーツマンシップという大切なものをなくしているのではないか。So we are losing the meaning of true sportsmanship. So スポーツマンシップという大切なもの。So importance of sportsmanship. なくす or なくしているのではないか or losing the meaning of that. Okay. So one more time. 今のオリンピックは勝ち負けを気にするあまり、スポーツマンシップという大切なものをなくしているのではないか。Okay, let's take a look at our next sentence. Examples, vocabulary. The first word is 試験, exam. 試験, exam. 問題, question. 問題, question. 優しい, easy. 優しい, easy. 考えすぎる. 考えすぎる to overthink. 考えすぎる overthink. 間違える to make a mistake. 間違える to make a mistake. Now let's take a look at the actual sentence. 試験の問題は優しかったのに考えすぎたあまり間違えてしまった。Again using hiragana. 試験の問題は優しかったのに考えすぎたあまり間違えてしまった。So, its meaning is even though the exam is easy, I overthought them and ended up making mistakes. So the amari part is 考えすぎたあまり. So I overthought too much. I thought too much that. The first part is 試験の問題は優しかったのに, even though that noni kind of expresses the even though part. So the exam questions are easy, even though that I thought too much that. So 考えすぎたあまり, and the negative result is 間違えてしまった. So I made mistakes. Again, one more time. 試験の問題は優しかったのに考えすぎたあまり間違えてしまった. Okay, so the next example, vocabularies are 合格の知らせ、合格の知らせ。彼女、she, her。嬉しさ、happiness、嬉しさ。泣き出す、to burst into tears、泣き出す。Now let's take a look at the actual sentence. 合格の知らせを聞いて、彼女は嬉しさのあまり泣き出した。泣き出した。One more time using ひらがな。合格の知らせを聞いて、彼女は嬉しさのあまり泣き出した。So it means that she was so happy hearing the news of her acceptance that she burst into tears. So that so happy, that part is expressed in 彼女は she 嬉しさのあまり。So she was so happy, overjoyed that 泣き出した。So she cried, burst into tears. 合格の知らせを聞いて。So 聞いて。So after hearing 合格の知らせ this news of getting accepted, 彼女は嬉しさのあまり。So she was overjoyed that 泣き出した。She burst into tears. One more time. 合格の知らせを聞いて、彼女は嬉しさのあまり泣き出した。That's it for today. Always learn more with less. Hit subscribe and don't miss out on daily videos.